I've always wanted to be a millionaire growing up, and I've always wanted to own properties all over the world. As a graduation present, my dad decided to help my dream become a reality. Today, let's go check out my new baby. Welcome to my new home.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. For finishing and graduating and doing wonderful well. This is a present for you. This is a 3-bedroom house to the fruit of your properties.
Wow, thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
And make sure that you maintain it very well.
Yes, I will. I will make you proud.
Whether you are going to rent it or whatever. So the rest is yours.
Thank
Ciao.
you. Ciao. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I own another house. This is another 3-bedroom house I have acquired. It was given to me by my dad, as you saw. And guys, let me go show you this place. It's still a work under progress, but it's already looking so fire. I could literally have 2 dining areas if I need that, or I can have a dining area over here. I can have maybe my couch set up somewhere here and have my TV over there. I can repurpose this space that was intended to be a dining area into a study area or an office. It looks so good. It's so spacious, and I actually love the white and brown theme going on. I love it. Now let's go check out where all the magic happens. The kitchen. Oh my goodness, this kitchen is so spacious. It looks like we have a pantry over here. This pantry is so spacious. I could literally do my cabinets, have some LED lights on here, and have all my stuff arranged so well. I can't wait to actually decorate this place and furnish this place. It's going to be so nice. It looks like I have a tiled worktop. I can keep my stove over here, and I could probably put my fridge over there, or maybe there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. There's so much space to work around. Maybe in the future I might have an island over here for more working, because you know, I may have a party and be cooking a lot of food, and I might need some extra space. Now, let's go check out the primary bedroom, the biggest bedroom in this house, and maybe in the future, I may sleep here. This is what the primary bedroom looks like. This room is actually a great size. One thing about me is I don't like rooms that are too small or too big, so this room size is perfect for me. I'm going to have a mini closet over here. I'm going to close this off and have it as a mini closet going from top to down. Arrange my shoes, my dresses, my bags, all my bling stuff. It's going to be so cute. Probably going to have my bed somewhere there. This room will easily fit a king or queen size bed. I'm definitely going to have a queen in here when I stay in here. I'm gonna have my TV over there. Maybe I'll have like a 150-inch TV. We'll see how big this place is and if it can accommodate a 150-inch TV. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, it looks like the electricity hasn't been connected yet, but I actually like the size of this bathroom. I think this wall tiles are actually my favorite, you know? I like how glossy it looks. Looks like our shower head isn't here yet, but I think this bathroom is going to be fire when it's done. When I rent this out and a couple lives here, maybe they can even take a shower together and have enough space to shower together and have a great time. The WC is right here by the sink, and I have a little mirror over here. I think I'm probably going to have a bigger mirror over here if I live here because I like to check out myself and I need more mirror. Now let's go check out the other rooms in this house. Let's go. I like how like seamless this house is. It's like everywhere just moves into everywhere, you know? This is the second bedroom. This bedroom is not ensuite from what it's looking like, but I still have some closet space here that I'm going to close off for my mini closet. It's a nice room to have for maybe a guest. Anybody staying in this room is going to have to share their bathroom with the guests that are gonna come over here because the powder room is right next to the bedroom. It's a pretty sizable powder room. It's a little shower head going on over here. So there's some shower space over here. There's a WC for anybody that wants to use it. Then there's a sink and mirror over here for, you know, those who want to check out themselves. Maybe if you have a little something going on over here that you want to, you know, fix, you can fix it. I like it. It's looking good so far. Let's go check out the third bedroom, see if we have any surprises over there. Ooh, the third bedroom is right here. So this is a third bedroom. This one is actually ensuite. And it also has a closet space. So I'm definitely gonna close this off once again for my closet. And honestly, I feel like this room has a very good size. It can also fit a king or queen bed. What do you guys think? The bathroom here is a little bit smaller, but it's also a pretty sizable bathroom. I think it's slightly bigger than the powder room. It has the shower over here. I can just imagine myself just taking a shower and, you know, enjoying the breeze from outside. Oh, it would be so nice. The sink and mirror is back here, and the toilet is over here. So you can actually hide when taking a dump. Maybe I should take a dump. I think we are pretty much done with the inside of the house. Now let's go check out the outside of the house. The compound of the house is actually pretty big. I was doing my calculations. It looks like it can accommodate like 4 or 5 cars. It's insane. This is a compound. There's still, you know, a little bit of work going on over here. What's all saying? Alright, yes. So this space that you see in front of me is going to be my green area. I'm going to plant some grass over here and have a little lawn going on over here. I might also have a summer house over here and definitely going to plant some fruit trees for shade and also for some fruit. So this part of the compound is going to be my car park. I can park about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. I can actually park 5 cars here. And I'm thinking of doing like a mini farm or garden over here. I want to plant some tomatoes, some garden eggs, and, you know, more fruit trees over here. What do you guys think? You know, in Ghana and one more plant, my plantains. In Ghana, every house has to have a plantain plant over there because, like, they're so blessed with it. Why not? Let's check out the backyard. I feel like this house was definitely built for a family because there's so much space around for anybody that has kids to just run around this house. Even the space that I wanted to use for my garden can be used as a mini playground and have like a little maybe tree house or swing going on over there. That will actually be so nice. Maybe someday when I have kids, I'm going to turn this place into a playground if I haven't built my dream house yet. But anyway, this is the backyard. This is where the fufu shenanigans go on. Literally, I can step out from the kitchen, come out here and just pound some fufu. It's also very airy over here. Maybe I can have a little lawn chair over here and just come relax sometime during the day when it's very hot and I don't want to stay inside the house. looks like that's about it. I am actually so excited about this house. I can't even explain how happy I am right now. Oh my goodness. The things I'm going to do with this house, I'm probably going to put it up for rent. So if you're interested in renting this house, hit me up and let's get talking. I'm so grateful for my dad for giving me this opportunity to actually grow and become the great woman that I want to be. I just can't fathom having a dad that is so generous. I love you so much, Daddy. Thank you. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Remember, that's Obranyawara, but life is how you make it. I am Mami Sika, your #1 castle ambassador and incoming millionaire. See you in my next video. Peace. I'm out. So how much is this property going for? What's the value of this property?
If somebody does you something, you don't have to ask the person the value.
Okay, thank you so much.